Greetings everyone, this is Danny from HarrTravel.com, your Royal Caribbean suite experts, and today I'm on board the beautiful, brand new, incredibly high-tech wonder of the seas. This incredible suite is a 2-bedroom AquaTheater Suite. My family absolutely loves these. I know yours will as well. Now I'm going to take you through all the space and review the benefits here in just a minute. But keep in mind when you're ready to book this suite or any room or suite with Royal Caribbean, Celebrity, or Silversea, make sure you reach out to Harr Travel. We are your suite experts. We know the spaces inside and out. We have an incredible relationship with the cruise line, and we know that we can help craft the cruise vacation of a lifetime for you, your friends, family, or group at an incredible value, and get the Harr Travel signature service every step of the way. Now, this is a star-class suite here on board the Wonder, which means it's the very, very top of what Royal Caribbean offers. You're going to get everything, the unlimited dining package for every passenger in the room, same with the unlimited beverage. You're also going to get Voom internet, 1 login per person, access to all the incredible suite amenities, including that sun deck, the brand new suite neighborhood concept with coastal kitchen, and the suite lounge as well. But I think the best benefit is your Royal Genie. Harr Travel's happy to help you coordinate and go through the details with that, but they're here to grant your wishes and make everything you're dreaming of on this cruise come true. Now let me take you through this beautiful space. Now, as soon as you walk in the door, you'll see that it's quite expansive. Now, I just wanted to point this out really quick. This is your thermostat, but you're going to want to download your Royal Caribbean app even before you arrive here on board. You'll be able to use that on board to actually control your thermostat here with the temperature, the lighting, the shades, and also as your room key. You're also going to be able to use that app for check-in. I just did it for myself and my family. You're going to really love how simple it is. Now, you've got a nice entryway here. You've got a mirror, a little cubby hole. It is backlit, so you can utilize it to get ready. And first, I'm going to take you into the second bedroom. Now, as we head in here, you can see right now it's separated into 2 twin beds. You also have 2 that will come down as well, and they can put it together if you prefer. We do have a lot of couples that will book this, maybe 2 couples together, multi-generational family groups. So you could put 4 in here or 1 large bed together. You're going to have plugs on either side of the nightstand. You got plenty of room underneath for storage. And then directly across, you're going to find the first of the large flat panel TVs. They're all fully interactive, so you can see what's going on throughout the ship, in addition to watching television and, of course, streaming from your device. Now, you've got your vanity here where you can sit and get ready. You've got 2 US plugs, 4 USBs, and a European plug. I love that they have that great charging station, and just in here, you're also going to find your hair dryer. Now, just behind, you have a ton of storage in here, but this is the first bit where you're going to see the shelving unit up and down, and then you also have your hanging storage with those extra comfy bathrobes. You'll be able to utilize those throughout your time here on board, and you've got a floor-to-ceiling mirror here to get ready. Now, as we head further in, you've got this beautiful window that actually looks over the AquaTheater. We'll take you outside to see that special feature in just a minute, and then I'm going to take you into the second bathroom. Now, this is very similar to the other bathrooms here on board. You're going to have a nice, beautiful decor. You've got storage up and down with the shelves, a plug up above, and then I wanted to step in. I'm 6'6", I'm a really big guy. I fit just fine in here. I love the boat-out shower door. You're going to have your clothesline in here, adjustable shower head, and then you also have that first glimpse of those upgraded Malin & Getz bath amenities. Now, as we head into the master bedroom, I just wanted to point out one of my favorite features. It's a door. I love my family. I love traveling with family and friends, but having that separation really goes a long way. Now, just behind me, you've got another panel. Each and every one of the sleeping zones, you're going to have one where you can control it, and then you have an enormous amount of storage in here. You can see a ton of hanging storage all the way across, a shelf up above. And then just in here, you're going to see that you have even more hanging storage, and then you've got your safe. What I like is it's big enough for a laptop, plenty of space in there, and there's even a plug where you can plug it in while you're charging, and then you've got storage up and down with the shelving unit. Next up is the bed, and this isn't any bed. This is a highly upgraded Dux mattress. It's going to be one of the best night's sleep you ever had. You're going to have those upgraded pillow menus to choose from and highly upgraded linens as well. It's a nice full king-size bed, and on either side you're going to have 2 US plugs and 2 USB chargers. Perfect if you need to utilize a CPAP machine, or of course if you want to charge your devices overnight. I also really like that you can tuck your stuff away because you've got the shelving unit. Now, there is a sliding door that heads out to the balcony. We'll take you there in just a minute. I want to show you the rest of this space. You've got a nice large flat panel TV, the second one, storage underneath, and then another full vanity here. Very similar to the others. You have 2 US plugs, 4 USBs, and a European plug, another hairdryer, and there's lights on either side and up above, so you can sit and get ready. Now, as we step into the master bathroom, you've got quite a bit of storage here with a large vanity, storage up and down with the shelves. You've got a plug up above there for a razor, and then a nice large shower tub combo. I love the glass door instead of the shower curtain. You've got more of those highly upgraded Malin & Getz bath amenities, but what's great about this, traveled a lot with my daughter when she was little, having a bathtub is huge, but also if you want to have a soak, bubble bath, that's something that you can definitely utilize it for as well. So now we're in the living room area. You've got a nice large sofa here. Now this is another sleeping zone. You can put 4 in the second bedroom, 2 in the master, and you can actually put 2 right here as well. You've got a nice reading chair to sit, coffee table where you can take advantage of a third large flat panel TV, same, fully interactive. Underneath, you're gonna have a fridge, so you've got that fully stocked upon arrival. Of course, your genie is gonna communicate even before you arrive, and your Harr Travel advisor can guide you through that process. You've got your Lavazza coffee maker. I love that I start my day at home with an Italian coffee, so I can do that right here on board as well. And you're also gonna have an enormous amount of storage. All of this wall is storage, so if you're utilizing this for a sleeping zone, you've got that separate temperature control, quite a bit of hanging storage all the way across, shelf up above, and then over here you're gonna find more of the bathrobes and then more shelves for storage. You can see there's an enormous amount of storage, but taking up to 8 passengers, there's a good reason why. You've got your dining room table. You can have every meal right here in your room. You can have it from the specialty dining, the main dining menu. Your genie will grant those wishes, and you're gonna absolutely love the dining experience when you're in star class. Now this is an AquaTheater Suite, so of course you have views of the AquaTheater, but what I love is that you also have these very calm, peaceful, side-facing views. So you've got 2 chairs with ottomans, a great place to start your morning with a nice cup of coffee or tea, maybe a cocktail or a glass of wine in the evening, but this is that zone. You can really watch those incredible ocean views, get that fresh ocean air, and have really nice peace and quiet. Now as we head further around the other way, you're gonna have a full dining room table out here as well. You've got 6 chairs that can set it up for more. You can have that specialty dining or main dining in here as well. You've got 2 large lounge chairs here, so you can take advantage of those views of the AquaTheater, or you can turn them around to the ocean. Now on the side here, you've got a full bar set up. It's a really nice touch. You can sit there. The AquaTheater show here, Intense, is incredible. You're gonna love it. And you even get a great glimpse of one of the out-of-the-world astronauts. Now, when you're ready to book this incredible suite or any room or suite with Royal Caribbean, Celebrity, or Silversea, make sure you reach out to Harr Travel. We are your suite experts. We know the spaces inside and out. We have an incredible relationship with the cruise line, and we know that we can help craft the cruise vacation of a lifetime for you, your friends, family, or a group at an incredible value, and get the Harr Travel signature service every step of the way.